Hello, my name is Chelsea Aurora Melati, NPM 22091144. Now I will make a video to complete an independent text English for business presentation. Hello everyone. Well, let's start our meeting today. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Chelsea Aurora Melati, and as we all know, I am recruited from the company WH Commercial Department. As a partner in a company engineer in the housing sector, here I will introduce the types, shapes, styles, and strategic location of various houses that can make us cooperate with each other in buying and selling quickly. The first good is a house with a modern minimalist concept. A house with this concept is a house with a type of design that is in great demand by young couples, because this house isn't a minimalist style but has an elegant impression. With a simple but still compact arrangement and minimal colors make this young man's appearance more modern. This house with a modern minimalist concept house has 3 floors with 4 bedrooms, 2 outdoor bedrooms, and 2 suite bedrooms, and 1 rectangular swimming pool located in the front yard of the house, and has a decorated front yard so it looks like you are swimming in the hotel. Okay, I will show you the shape of the house. Concept minimalist modern house like this. Then the second house is a house with a vintage modern concept. Vintage interior design ideas make one remember the sweeter, glamorous era of the 1940s, where homes were beautifully furnished. Vintage interior design is an elegant, romantic, and comfortable style. This style looks ancient but very beautiful. It involves using old or artificial decoration and furniture. With vintage interior design, you can use natural materials such as wood, stone, forget elements, and natural fabric. A room designed with a vintage design looks simple, an atmosphere of peace, nostalgia, and relaxation along with a homey look. Usually, houses with a vintage concept are decorated in green, dark or light brown, cream, and black. I will show you house with a vintage modern concept. Look like this. You can see very calm and old. Then the third concept house, we have a house with a contemporary concept. One interesting point, if you look at interior design styles throughout history, this type of contemporary design is a style that is always evolving. Contemporary design styles will likely continue to change throughout the 21st century. It is very common to see materials like metal and glass being used due to their reflecting properties. This look is the best mix of home decor style. Also, natural color palettes are the most common for temporary design with texture fabric to create interest. I will explain and show several types of house with concept contemporary. The first, the style look like this. The name style concept contemporary house. The first is Greek classical contemporary house. So, one characteristic of Greek buildings is the use of pillar in the architecture. This concept can be combined with other contemporary elements. Of course, the combination of the two will produce a unique home but still comfortable to live in. And house with concept contemporary number 2. Contemporary house with nature. This can also build house with a concept that blends with nature. For a house like this, make sure large windows. You can see these large windows. In a left and in a right have this house have big windows. This seems to remove the partitions between the inside and outside of the house. Number 3, contemporary Japanese house. Houses in Japan are synonymous with strong natural nuance. Pins can combine both with contemporary elements. You can use large glass windows and add wood accent in several parts of the house. I will show you the house types concept Japanese nature. This. Okay, next number 4. Contemporary home with wood accent. Can use wood as attractive feature in several parts of the house. Although for some people, eerie colors are modern colors, with the right design, the application of these colors can give a contemporary impression. You can see this house like modern style. Next, the fourth, we have a house with the concept of modern industry. The charm of an industrial house is indeed able to attract attention, especially because the owner doesn't have to spend a lot of money to design it. It's raw, urban, but still modern appearance. It's also suitable for combining with other designs such as minimalist and tropical. The original industrial style is generally created through several materials such as construct steel pallets, stainless steel pallets, steel and mirrors, as well as exposed bricks, while the addition of wooden element is useful to present a warmer effect to the room. To create an even more calming look, an industrial touch can also be presented through furniture, lighting, or room accessories. And don't forget, the ceiling materials used is one of biggest influence for the industrial style to feel sticky. In the past, Europeans used unit factory buildings as their residence. They left the appearance of the building unpolished or altered in the slightest. This is what makes the industrial style look interesting and different from other style. Starting from here, industrial house then spread to many countries including Indonesia. Other interesting things from the industrial style. 1. In the interior, this design is very flexible. Usually consists of natural colors and material that focus on unique texture. Good lighting will make the context of the room look more attractive. Number 2, industrial design looks simple. It only focuses on its functionality. But more than that, when you enter the house with this design, you will get a strong impression that is different and bold because of its simplicity. Number 3, because it uses a lot of recycled materials, the industrial style is much more environmentally friendly. And last, finishing, as it is turns out to make this style have a high aesthetic value. And the last, the 5, house with concept futuristic. The concept of futuristic architecture was first known since the 20th century in Italy. Futuristic design can be seen from the presence of long dynamic lines, as if to show the presence of firmness, speed, change, and high urgency. Futuristic architectural design can be seen from its classy style, carries minimalist, and doesn't use additional accents such as carving and other decorative elements. This design concept is very suitable for those of you who want a design that looks classy, unique, and seems to come from a different time. Futuristic design uses unique and unusual shapes such as oval line, sharp angle, and the use of various curved shapes in its construction. Adopt and utilize available technology and apply it aesthetically. For example, in the construction of futuristic buildings, glass elevators are generally used to make them look more modern and aesthetic. To the use of TV screen embedded in the walls to make them look neat and look seamless. Lighting is one of the factors that can influence futuristic design. The selection of the right type of lamp is a point that cannot be missed. In order to create a futuristic effect, the type of lamp used is a bright LED lamp that has a variety of color that can be adjusted wirelessly. To improve aesthetic, LED lights can be installed behind acrylic glass to give a beautiful light reflection effect in an artistic home concept. Use clean color choice such as yellow, white to silver because these colors can give an elegant impression. Alright, my presentation has ended. I really hope our two companies can work together. You can discuss this project again, and if you have any question later, you can email us your question or we can reschedule our meeting. Thank you for your time. That's it, and thank you.